guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have created for you this sea green half cut crease makeup look. If you want to see how I got this look and the products that I used, then just keep watching. Alright guys, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and put some Laura Mercier setting powder underneath my eyes just to catch any fallout that I may have, because I did go ahead and do my foundation off of camera. Now I'm going to grab the ColourPop X Shayla collab and I'm going to pick up the shade Culture and just throw it in the crease as a transition shade. And right here I'm going to pick up the shade Thick and I'm going to use it right on top of the first shade that we applied. Now I'm going to jump into the Smoky Obsessions palette and I'm going to pick up that brown shade right there, and I'm just going to take it on a smaller brush and begin to define the crease. Next, I'm going to take this small flat brush and pick up some ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and that's what I'm going to use to carve out the crease. Remember, when doing this step, you just want to be very precise and take your time. And now we're going to go in with the star of the show. You guys, look at this shade. I don't even know what color it is. It's like a sea green, turquoise kind of color. It's not really turquoise. It's more of a greenish, silverish color. I'm not sure. I hate that it doesn't have a name. But this is so beautiful. And this is what I use to fill in the crease that we created. And here I'm picking up some of that dark brown shade in the Smoky Obsessions palette just to define and darken up the crease a little bit more. And there I'm going to take this liquid, it's like a cream gel eyeliner that I got in my BoxyCharm. It's very, very pigmented and very creamy and very smooth. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just carefully creating a wing. And now I'm going to take some ColourPop concealer and just on that same flat brush and just clean up any areas that might have like a little bit of uneven lines or it's not very straight. That's a little trick that I learned from James Charles. Just take concealer and go right underneath of the part. It's kind of like an eraser. So kind of use the concealer as an eraser to clean up any jagged edges. Now I'm just going to take this brown eyeliner from MAC and just pop it in the lower lash line. Then I'll be going in with the Salon Perfect 614 lash, but first I'm going to use the Mega Plush Mascara to prep the lashes. And there we have the lashes already on. Going in with MAC Modern Mandarin blush just to add a little bit of color to the cheekbones. And then I'm going to set everything with the NYX setting spray. This is in the matte finish. And I'm going to take my fan and I'm going to fan and I'm going to dry. Look at those lashes when I look down. Those look really, really good. I got this little technique right here from Allie Glines here on YouTube. She always, after she sprays, she will take her beauty blender and just kind of set the spray and press it into the skin. Really cool. Kind of helps it, I guess, stay in place, or I don't know. I don't know why she does it, but I do it and it looks good. And then next, I just took the Wet n Wild Precious Petals and just used it as a highlight to add some bling to the face. Next, I'm taking the Urban Decay Soft Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Stark Naked, and I'm going to apply it to the lips. Next, after that, I'm going to take the ColourPop X Shayla lipstick and I'm going to add it on top of the Urban Decay lipstick. And I'm going to take some highlighter from the Precious Petals palette, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and I believe, yeah. Ooh. I go down also the bridge of the nose with this highlighter as well because I can never get enough. So just highlight and bling. Just highlight and bling. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC Giga Black Mascara, recommended by the one and only Jaclyn Hill. And I'm going to put it on my lower lashes. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I'm really loving the Huda Beauty palettes. You guys, these are so pretty and I cannot put them down. I've already created, I think, 2 or 3 looks with them. But yeah, so if you like this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up and join the family. Subscribe down below, and until next time, stay beautiful.